Hello viewers, welcome to Earthbondhon YouTube channel. I'm Mohammad Shahad with you. In this video, I will discuss about can we water the electrical shocked person. If you're new to my channel, please be subscribed and stay with me. Press the bell icon for more my video. If you already subscribed, thank you so much. So viewers, let's start. Electrical shock in water. Electrocution in water poses a serious and deadly danger to everyone who swims in a lake or a pool. It occurs when faulty wiring or poorly maintained equipment released an electrical current into the water which enters people's bodies, paralyzing their muscles and causing them to drown. Unfortunately, many people are unaware of the public safety threats. It is not uncommon for people to only associate electrocution and electric shock injuries with down power line after a storm or touching a ladder to low-hanging power line in a person's backyard of faulty wiring to a kitchen or garage appliance. But what most do not realize when they dive into a pool or jump off their family's boat into a lake is that the risk of electrocution may be lurking there in the water. It is our purpose with this electrocution in water page to provide people with the safety tips and information they will need to protect themselves, their families and others and prevent death and electric shock injuries. Electrocution in water, also known as an electric shock drowning, is when faulty wiring in a pool, light or on boat dock or boat launch release an electrical current into the water, thus electrifying the water, and a person such as a swimmer comes into connect with the electrified water. Tragically, the person becomes a conductor of the electricity as it passes through his or her body. This paralyzes the person's muscles, rendering him or her unable to swim, which could ultimately cause the person to drown. Can you give water to someone in shock? When a person is in shock, their body protests their core functions by stopping anything not necessary for life. They need to be covered and kept warm, become the body vessels in their extremities context of to keep their core warm. Their digestion stop, including their ability to swallow if they are to get any fluid or frozen bodies in their airways. While in shock, their body may not have the enough reflex. Shock is really strange to deal with. A person going into shock may be function seemingly normally on moment and they can become unresponsive the next. Anytime shock is suspect, the patient need to be kept warm and give nothing orally because of the cooking hazard. They can choke without showing any signs of choking except by catching breathing. They may not struggle in the last and their breathing can just stop. Without the body's automatic breathing help, it's very hard to restart breathing in a patient that is in shock. So viewers, that's my video. If you like my video, please like and share my video to your friend. Share my video to your all social media. Thanks for watching my video and thanks for being with me. Thank you so much.